So this is the nirukti. Then the definition and the causative factors, why the nadi developed. So remember in the class of the Sof Chikitsa, we have already discussed if any surgeon leaves the Pakka soap for a longer time, or with any reason when soap is not suppurated for longer time, then there is a chance to develop the nadi or the sinus. So sopham na pakwamiti pakkum upekchate. Sopham na pakwamiti pakkum upekchate yo va vranam prachuryam puyam sadhuvritam अभ्यंतरम प्रविशति प्रविदार्य तस्य स्थानानि पूर्वं वहितानां ततः सः पूयः तस्य अतिमात्रं गमनाद् अतिरिक्तस्य नाड्यो यद् वहन्त तेन मतातु नाडी. When a soap in body is take a prolonged time for the suppurations or for the paka, or a pakku sofa is ignored by the surgeon for the longer durations, then whatever the pus is collected in that soap, that will goes deeper into the tissue planes and and develops its own path and create a tubular structure instead of a cavity. Just it going deep down to the tissue, and that form a structure and is burst somewhere else, or it opens somewhere else, other part of the skin or in any cavity, then it is called as the nadi or the sinus. There are 8 type of nadi Shushruta has mentioned. दोषैर त्रिभृत भवन्ति सा पृथक एकस्य सम्मूर्छैर अपि च शल्य निमित्तो अन्यः. From the separate dosas, Vatas, Pittas, Kaphas, 3 nadis. From the Sammurchita means mixing of all the dosas, Sannipataj 1, and with the combination of the dosa Vataj, Pittas, Vataj, Kaphaj and Kaphaj, Pittas 3, and 1, that is Salinimittaj, means that is the due to the any foreign body or any traumatic reasons. So there are 8 type of the nadis Shushruta had mentioned. However, in the Nidana Sthan as well as in the Chikitsa Sthan, the characteristics mentioned Shushruta is only 5 types, but he just include this Dwandaja, and he is not explain Dwandaja because when they have just mentioned the clinical features on the depends on the dosas involved, predominant dosas. So he mentioned Vataj, Pitaj, Kaphaj. So if Vataj, Pitaj nadi is there, then the features of the Vataja and Pitaja may be there. So he mentioned only 5 types in the details, though all the type of nadis are 8 types. Here we discuss one by one. You see the most of the features are just according to the involved predominant dosas. So first it says Tarta Anilat Parusha Sukshmamukhi Sasula Fenanubid Adhikam Sravati Chapayam. If the Vat is the predominant dose in the any nadis, then it should be the rough, the opening is small, pain is severe, and the discharge is frothy and excessive discharge. Fenanubidham adhikam sravanti. The discharge is frothy and excess in amount. Sasula, severe pain. If the pith is important, dominant dosas, then त्रट ताप तोद सदन ज्वर भेद हेतु पीतम सर्वत अधिकम उष्णम supittat, means the if pith is important, dominant dosas, then it may be the hot, means active inflammation should be there, hotness is there, fever may be there as a generalized features. And one more characteristic feature of the pitta nadi is that tod. However, tod is the feature of the vat. In the rest of other conditions, when we see vat is a predominant dosas, then usually the tod is the characteristic of the pain of the vata. But here tod is the characteristic of the pitta nadi. So this is very important. And the color of discharge is usually yellow color and warm discharge, ushnam. Then kafaj nadi has the gaya kafa bahughanar arjun pichla srava rati siddhi istimit ruk kathina sakandu. Here the important feature of the nadi, when the kafaj is the dominant dosa, then it is usually thick, means indurated. The color is usually white, sticky discharge, and pus is more secreted while in night. And usually it is hardness is there around the nadi, the sinus, and itching is the predominant features. When all the dosas collectively involved, means in the Sandipata's condition, so he says दाह ज्वर श्वसन मूर्छन वक्त्र शोष यस्या भवन्ति अभिहिताना च लक्षणानि तमादिशेत पवन पित्त कफ प्रकोपाद रोम स्विस रोम क्षयकारी color. Means there is a all the features of the all three dosas collectively may be there, and that condition is very severe. In that conditions, he says पवन पित्त कफ प्रकोपाद रोम क्षय स्वीकारी में काल राति, means that may be the fatal for the patient, because patient may land into the septic shock if severe infection is there, and patient may land into the shock and death may be occurs. However, nowadays it is not comes to that that a patient is died due to the any nadi or the sinus, but yes, it can be very severe also. Usually that he mentioned all involvement of all three dosas, it means that condition is usually having the complicated and the complications are occurring. So in that condition, the patient, these severe fatal conditions may be there. In the next one, he mentioned that is Shalyaj Nadi, means the Nadi developed due to the trauma or due to any retained foreign body. So Nastam Kathanchitam Anumargam Udriteshu Sthaneshu Salyam Srinet Gati Karoti Safenilam Mathitam Achram Astrig Mishram Usranam Svet Sahasa Saruja Chanityam. So the discharge, the characteristic of discharge is the frothy, curd-like, and blood mixed. Sometimes it is clear, serous, and sometimes blood mixed, sometimes pus mixed, and warm discharge with the severe amount of the pain. So in that, if a person present with that kind of the nadi, the sinus, then you can suspect any retained foreign body is there inside. Any of the following any kind of the trauma. So that these are the characteristic features of these 5 types of the nadi, in which if any nadi has the feature of vataja as well as pittaja, then you must consider it as vataj pitta dvandaj nadi. Then the management, how we should manage a nadi. So here the prognosis has Sushta mentioned the prognosis. Nadi Tidosh Prabha Na Siddhate Stana Khalu Yatn Sadhya, means the Sannipata Nadi is considered Ashadhya and rest other are treatable with the sensitive attempt, means Yatna Sadhya, means you can treat the condition, but you have to take the serious you have to take the do the treatment very seriously, and you have to add some adjuvant therapy medicines as well as surgery. So all the type of the nadis are always require the sastra karma, the surgical management, followed by the proper wound healing. So the medicines are used as adjuvant therapy to facilitate the good healing only. Only medicine can never treat any kind of the nadi vrana or the sinuses, because all the sinuses are developed due to the anatomical defect, due to the development of that sinus or cavity. So for the treatment, we should excise that or open that cavity to drain that infection. That is very important surgically. Medicines could help in the management of the wound that is developed after the surgery. So only medicine is not enough for the treatment of the any kind of the nadi vida. This is, I am not saying, Sushruta says this. Now one by one we will discuss what the management Sushruta is described. Vataja nadi. So he says tatra aniloth upanahya पूर्वम शेषतः पूय गति विदार्यः तिलैर अपर्माग फलेश पिष्ट्वा सैन्धरो बंधनात् त्रिम कुर्यात् प्रक्षालने चापि सदा व्रणस्य योज्यं महत् खलु पंचमूलम हिस्रा हरिद्रा कटुका बलाम चा गोजिह्विका चापि सबिलमूलाम संहृतम संहृतम तैलम विपचेद व्रणस्य संशोधनम पूर्णम रूपणम चा. So here the first step is तत्र अनिलोत्थाम उपनाह्य पूर्वम विशेषः पूयगति विदार्य. First when we see what is predominant means the vata nadi there, in that first we do some upanaha. So upanaha is always doing prior to the surgery to make soften the cavity of the sinus, because if somehow the pakwa is not happening proper, so to attain the proper pakwa stage we should give some upanaha. And once upana is given for 1 or 2 days, then when the you see the cavities, that sinus is completely in a pakwa stage, in that poegati vidaryam purvam eshatah poegati vidaryam. So with the aishani we should insert the aishani, and we should incise the complete tract. We should incise the complete sinus and open it, and after the opening we have the infected wound dushtavrana. Then we have to do the treatment according to dushtavrana. We should do some sodhana, means we should apply some sodhana drug for the wound become healthy, and then apply all the ropana drug for the healing of that. Understand? So that's why prior to discussing these disease portion, first we have already discussed the wound management, management of the vrana. So that is very important. So here nothing peculiar, just first before shastra karma is done, that is the incision karma is here, and first give the upanaha, then with the ashadi insert the ashadi the probe in the track, and with the track we should open it inside the complete track, and then we should do debridement, first the mechanical debridement, then chemical debridement. So that is a kind of the sodhana karma, and then we should apply some oil, some medicines for the giving the good environment to that wound for that better healing. That is the ropana karma. So sodhana and ropana karma we should do after the incision karma. In pittaja nadi पित्तात्मिकां प्राग उपनयः धीमान उत्कादिका भी सप्रयोगिता भी निपात शस्त्रम तिलनाल तिलना तिलना तिल तिलनागदंती यष्ट्याः कल्कः परिपूयेत प्रक्षालने चापि सोम निम्बः निशा प्रयोजः. Here also the medicine, you see here the medicine he used, that is vata samaki, hisra, haridra, katuka, And here whatever the medicine used, that is the Pitta Samaka, Nishaha, Tel, Nagdanti, Madhvesti, Kalka. So the method is same here also. Nipasastram, first give the Upanaha, Utkarika with the milk or grat to make the soften, then give incision over the complete sinus of the tract, and then use the different preparation for the first cleaning and for the dressing, for the Sodhana and Ropana. In a then one specific type of the nadi Sushruta mentioned, where we should avoid Sastra Karma first, because that is if the coast is involved. Coast nadi means if any sinus is involved, the coast, the intestine. In that condition, first we try with the conservative management. First we try few medicines, and if it is not treat with the medicines, controlled with the medicine, then we should give the surgical management. Rest all the type of the nadi, first we should give the surgical management. You see, that is the a kind of the specific. When we discuss the sinus, then we discuss there some specific and non-specific. So if the specific type of sinuses are there, then we should give some specific management before giving the surgical management. Suppose if any sinus is having tuberculosis infection, so first we give the tuberculosis anti-tuberculosis drug. If it is subsided by the anti-tuberculosis drug, then no need of the surgical management. So similarly here, if the coast is involved, so in that case, these few medicines first we should try. If it is controlled with this medicine, then it's okay. If it is not, then we should give the surgical management like other sanadis. So Syama, Tribandi, Trifalasu, Siddham, Haridriyo, Rodrak, Pachayos, Gatam, Sadugdham, Vran, Tarpaden, Hanyad, Gati, Post Gatati, Shayat. So Tarpan Karm with the above these drugs, Syama, Tribandi, Trifala, Siddha, Haridra, Rodrak, and drugs in case of post Gandhadi, it should be tried to treat this condition with a conservative management. First, with the Tarpan with this Ghrata. So, if you found a fecal fistula or the sinus which have communicated with the skin and to the intestine, then this condition called the Koshtgata Nadi. And so, in this condition, first we should give these medicines, and the procedure, the Upana and Tarpan, we should use these medicines. If it is not controlled by this, then we should give the surgical management. So in the Kafaj Nadi, he mentioned Nadi Kafut Upanaha Samika Kulat Siddharthak Shuktinavahe Marduk Tosh Marduko Mardukatas Mardukatam Asia Gati Vidatva Nipate Shastram. Look, Shastakam is mentioned in all the type of the Nadi. Vatat, Pitta, Kafaj, all type of Nadi. So here also the similarly, first she gives some upana to make soften that the track, and so that your actually the probe will go inside easily, because if your track is hard and it is blocked, then you may not able to insert your probe inside the track. So first give some upana. So if it is there, so that it will soft, then you insert the your probe, and with along with probe you should do the incision curve and open the complete track, and then rest treatment is same here. Whatever the medicine we used, that or is especially the cup samaka, so that include the. And one more thing, we should in the kafaj condition, he Sushita mentioned Dadhyad Vrade Nimbatilan, means we can Dagdha, we can give the cauterization to that track, so that it will heal fastly with less complication. So in the Pittaja, that Dagdha is not mentioned, Vataja also Dagdha is not mentioned, but in the Kafaj, Dagdha is mentioned, the Tal Dagdha, Nimb Tal, with the we can cauterize, means we can pour some hot nimbatal in the track to seal the infections. And after that, For the Shodhana and Ropan, we use these drugs Karanja, Nimba, Jati, Pilu, and Suvarchika, Saindhav, Chitrika, Nikumba, Tali. So all these drugs should be used for the Shodhana as well as Ropana. And different type of the preparation we should use the Grata, Tel, Kwat, Soras, whatever we should, whatever is available, whatever you want to use, you can use all this kind of that the preparation with these cough shamak medicines. Then Agantuj Nadi, when the Nadi is developed with the trauma and any foreign bodies remain inside, that causes the continuous source of infections, and so that the development of the sinus, that is called the Agantuj or the Sandhya Nadi. So Nadi tu Shalya Prabha Vidarya Niharti Shalyam Pravishodha Margam Sansodhit Chot Grhat Pragar Tilas Tail Ropanam Ashu Kuryat Kumbhik Kharjur Kapitha Bilva. So different type of the medicines we should used for that Shodhana and Ropan. Before that, we should give the incision. Nadi tu Shalya Prabhavam Vitaryam Nihatyam Shalyam Pravishodhyam Margam. Means we should uh, incise the complete sinus, and we should excise the whatever foreign body. We should take out that foreign body. That may be any part of that, any object, that may be any any tuft of the hairs in case of the case of pyelonephritis sinus. So the bunch of the hairs are stuck there, and they act as a foreign body, and they act as a continuous source of it. So removing that foreign body, whatever inside, and then debride the complete track. Pravishodhyam margam. We should debride complete uh, track, complete sinus, and then we should give some medical management for the Shodhana and Ropan for the healing of uh, that track like other conditions. So this is the method of the treatment of the this Vata, Pitta, Kapha, and Salyajar Agantuj Nadi Prana. In special conditions, Sushta mentioned if the patient is crushed, Durbal, Veru, Nadi, Marmasta, or Nadi sinus is present in a Marmasta in Marma places. In that cases, before doing Shastrakarma, the surgeon should try to Char Sutra management for the treatment of these kind of the Nadi Vrana. So just like in the fistula, the sinus, the Char Sutra has mentioned here. So remember when question is asked, Sushita where Char Sutra is indicated first. So it is Sushita has never indicated Char Sutra in the Bhagandar condition. Before this, he has mentioned Char Sutra in a Nadi Vrana condition. Understand? So if a person which is weak, emaciated, and cannot afford the surgery, or the sinus is present in very marm places in nearby very vital organs, so in that conditions, before means in place of doing the surgery, and excision or incision, we should try some char sutra uh, to apply Char Sutra in that track to heal the track, to treat the track. Okay, in the next lecture we discuss how Char Sutra we should apply Char Sutra in, and what are the method of Char Sutra, and then Varti, and then we that modern part science and fistula.